Who are you?
I'm an acquaintance of your father's. I have a gift I was instructed to bring you, miss.
Come on, Jenny, it's your turn! Just a minute! Be right there! Is that box for my dad? Did he send you here so we could see how I've been doing? Know what you could tell him? That I stopped waiting to hear from him a long time ago. I'll pretend my dad doesn't exist and he can forget about me too.
These were your father's belongings.